Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arshad Khan from Karachi Academy. Today we are going to solve question 4 of paper May June 2019 Business Studies paper 1. Its code is 7115 public 11. Here comes question number 4. FGS is a private limited company. FGS has a tall hierarchical organizational structure. It is a book retailer which plans to take over one of its competitors for $800 million. If the takeover happens, FGS would have 6,500 bookshops across 20 countries. FGS Managing Director said, "We expect to reduce total cost by $300 million each year after the takeover. We will stop all of the job training of employees." The managing director thinks FGS would benefit from becoming a public limited company, but some of other directors cannot decide if this is a good idea. Now, question number 4A. This question carried 2 marks. Question 4A comes from chapter 8, recruitment, selection and training. What is mean by of the job training? What is mean by of the job training? Trained away from the workplace by specialist trainers. Taking a training from a specialist away from the workplace is called of the job training. Number 4B. What is mean by total cost? What is mean by total cost? This question comes from chapter 9, cost, scale of production and break even. Total cost means total. Some of the it's also carry 2 marks question, and it's a very simple sum of total fixed cost plus total variable cost is called total cost. We have to calculate total cost by computing fixed cost plus variable cost is called total cost. Here comes question 4C. It's carried 4 marks. Question 4C comes from chapter 7, organization and management. Identify and explain 2 advantages of having a tall hierarchical organization structure. We have to here we have to identify what is the advantage of tall hierarchical organization. Number 1 is many opportunities for promotion. Number 2, clear chain of command. As tall hierarchical means here a hierarchy is a tall where there is no flat organization. The chances of promotion is very high. As the FGS has a tall hierarchical organizational structure, so go on the next level is comparatively easy than the flat hierarchical organization. It improves motivation among employees. Turnover rate will be low, helps in improving quality and quantity of products and services. Because there is a chances of promotion high, so employees become more motivated, and it also affects their product quality and quantity and its services. Number 2 benefits, clear chain of command. Because hierarchy is tall, there is a very few people in that hierarchy, so chain of command is very clear. Explanation: in tall hierarchical organization, chain of command is also very clear because there are a few people in this type of hierarchy. So decisions are quick and on time, which will impact in overall business of FGH and motivate employees for taking initiative and discuss new ideas with their senior management. Because there is a tall hierarchical organization, so taking decision or discuss about new ideas become very easily, and so it's motivate employees to meet their seniors and give their suggestion for improvement or new ideas about the product development or services. Now question 4D, it also carries 6 marks. Identify and explain 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage of FGH of becoming public limited company. This question comes from chapter 4, types of business organization. Here we have to give 1 advantage and 1 disadvantage about becoming a public limited company. Number 1 advantage, better access to capital, more funds available for business. Yes, if FGS goes to adopt for public limited company, they have a better access for more capital. Explanation: as FJ is planning to take over one of its competitor and management, this take over has good impact on the growth of the business. Funds from new investor help in easy takeover, and more funds will be available to run all 6,500 bookshops around the 20 countries very smoothly. By becoming public limited, its share can be traded in stock exchange very easily. Their market value and reputation will also increase. Yes, if a company become a public limited company, their reputation also increase to become a public limited company. Number two, published account. Number second, first disadvantage is published accounts is requirement for the public limited company. This is a mandatory requirement to publish the public book of published accounts for general public or shareholders. Explanation: after converting business into a public limited company, it is mandatory to publish annual accounts, which can be seen by all the shareholders and competitors. So competitor will get knowledge about the business status and its earning and future prospectus. If its financial position is not good, so takeover of competitor business become difficult and may be refused by competitor. So a very careful analysis and discussion with other directors should be carried out before going to public limited company. Yes. Uh, if FJ decide to become a public limited company, they should discuss it all of their directors and be on board or clear about what their plan. Now here comes to 4E. This question also carries 6 marks. Do you think FJ take over other business? Justify your answer. Here I just shortly define about the points. Takeover is one of the important method of expanding a business, increase market share and profit. It gives economy of scale in purchasing, technological and managerial levels. By takeover competitors' business, their shop increases by 6,500 in 20 countries all of a sudden immediately. FJ has become one of the big company in private sector. Its average cost would also decrease, and also confirm it also confirmed by the managing director. They can easily reduce cost by $300 million per year in its overall business. It means if they take over a business, it would definitely help in increasing their company worth, if its earning, its reputation, and their capital all over the world. My point of view, they should go for takeover. Thank you. Now it's over to question number complete of question 4. I hope I already discussed detail in all 4 questions of this paper. You all go to every chapter, every topics of this paper, and if you find any type of discussion or any type of questions or any type of suggestion regarding the problems of how to solve the paper or how to understand the any idea. So now it's thank you. Sound good.